Hello everyone, welcome to my new home recipe. Today I'll share with you some easy and simple bread patties recipe, so stay tuned everyone. You must try this recipe. Stay with us for this recipe. Enjoyable viewing for everyone. For the filling, first I have some corn and some parsley. I used 2 small cans this time, 1 spicy and 1 mild. Your filling will be absolutely wonderful. We'll also add half a package of tartared cheese. I used half a box of cheese, then mix everything until well combined. This filling makes delicious appetizers. Now take a medium-sized circular cutter and press in the middle to create this shape. Then stuff them here with burger cheese, add the filling and also add more burger cheese. Next, cover with another layer of dough and gently press with your hand. Seal the edges well, then dip them in egg and continue this process with the entire batch. Finally, heat some oil in a pan. Once hot, reduce the heat, add the appetizers and flip them until they turn golden brown. Then place them on paper towels to absorb excess oil. They look amazing and turn out perfectly crispy. So that was our recipe for today. I hope you enjoy it. Try them as I said. I'm sure you'll love them. Serve with soup for a perfect combination. Wishing you good health. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments.
Let's make this crispy potato pastry. What do we need for the dough? For this economical dough, I have a quarter bag of flour, 1 cup measuring 220 milliliters, which equals 500 grams of flour. Add a pinch of salt and gradually add tap water until the dough becomes soft and pliable. Put it in a blender, then add a medium spoonful of room temperature margarine. Mix it into the dough, let it rest for 5 minutes covered. After resting, I divided it into 12 balls, brushed them with butter and oil, covered them, and let them rest for half an hour. After resting, we'll flatten them like we do with samosas using margarine and oil. I mixed butter and oil, but you can use just oil or butter alone if you prefer. I folded them this way, placed them on the tray, brushed more fat on top, covered them, and let them rest for an hour. For the stuffing, as I mentioned, I have 2 ingredients, 2 tablespoons of cheese, some parsley, garlic, and I added tomatoes. You can add oil if you prefer. You can make them in a large batch or make smaller grape leaf-sized ones. After the dough has rested, I open it up, add the filling, sprinkle more cheese on top, and fold it this way. Place them on a tray, brush with oil, egg yolk, and a bit more cheese. I baked them at 180 degrees until they turned golden brown on the bottom, then from the top, and this is the result. They came out crispy and...
Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Food Studio. Today I'll share with you an easy recipe for stuffed pastries with a soft, light filling that you can prepare anytime. For any occasions, try these delicious pastries that turn out perfectly crispy every time. Let's start with the dough ingredients. I have half a cup of milk, a little salt, some black pepper, 2 eggs at room temperature. Mix them well, add a tablespoon of margarine, let it melt and cool, then add the mixture and combine all ingredients together. Finally, add 2 packets of yeast. Mix them well afterward. For our secret technique, we'll cover them with plastic wrap for 5 minutes. Cover and let them rest for half an hour, then cook them. Brush with butter, then shape the dough with a spoon, turning until golden brown, then place them in a dish to keep their shape on the sides. For the filling, I have a large onion that I softened with a little salt, black pepper, chopped green olives, and tuna. I used this large can drained of oil. I mixed the tuna with eggs and oil, then combined with the filling. After preparing it, we add this ground meat. If you have burger meat, it adds more flavor to the mixture. I prepared the filling the same way for the inside portion, then I'll fry them in some butter in the pan, turning them to get a nice crispy exterior. I served these with mayonnaise sauce. During Ramadan, you can pair these with soup. Try them, they're amazing! Wishing you good health and peace.